Here we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 3, exercise number 3.2, integration. And this is the F.Sc mathematics. So we are going to learn integration from the scratch. I will show you each and every step, and I will try my best to make it very easy. So this sign represents integration. This is called the integral sign. Then in the parenthesis we have 3x square minus 2x plus 1 multiplied by dx. This is the algebraic expression, and this expression has three terms. This is the first term, second term, and third term, right? So first step in integration is we have three terms, right? If we have 4 times 5 terms, we will do the same process. We will do the integration of each term individually. How we will do? See, very simple. Integral, this sign represents integration, or it is called the integral sign. Integral 3x square. Write down the first term, which is 3x square, and then dx, because see, this dx is outside the parenthesis, so it means this belongs to this and this as well. Same thing for 2x, and then is positive 1 dx. What I did in this step, in the first step, you have to do the integration of each and every term individually, right? So integral 3x square dx, then this negative 2x dx plus 1 dx. In second step, see, these are called the coefficients or constants. So you have to write down these constant outside this integral sign. 3 and then integral whatever is remaining. Same thing. This is constant or coefficient. Write down outside this integral sign or before this integral sign whatever is remaining, x dot dx, write down here. Same thing for 1. If you want, write down 1, but if you will not write down 1, that is also fine. This is only the case in if you have 1. If you have 2, 3, 4, yes, you have to write down, but 1, it's up to you because it does not make any difference. 1 dx, right? And then next step is you have to remove this integral sign. So how to remove this integral sign? It is again very easy. Just this 3 write down as it is. This dot represents multiplication, right? We have x square variable, and then exponent is a square. Whatever exponent you have to add 1. So it will be 2 plus 1. Same thing, you have to divide by 2 plus 1. Now there is no need. Your integral sign is removed. Same thing you have to do here. So 2, this 2 will remains the same. This x, right, variable, if it does not has any power or exponent, it means 1. What I told you, you have to add 1 more. So it will be 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 you have to divide, plus 1 dx. If it is dx, 1 dx, always the integration will be x. The integration of 1 dx is x. And now see, your all integral signs have been removed. Then you have to add one more thing, which is called constant of integration, C. Constant of integration. When you have to add this, you do not have to add here. The step in which you will remove this integral sign. And how you will remove this integral sign? Whatever variable you have and you have the exponent, just add 1, right? And with, suppose it is 3, you have to add 3 plus 1. If suppose the exponent is 4, you have to write down 4 plus 1 in the numerator, same 4 plus 1 in the denominator. And this step you have to add plus C, constant of integration. Now we will simplify it. So it will be x cubed divided by 3 minus 2 x square divided by 2 plus x plus C. So this 3 will cancel each other because there is a multiplication sign. Whatever is remaining, x cube minus x square plus x plus c, this is the answer. See how simple it is. But here, suppose if it in your exam this question comes and you want to see whether it is right or not. So I will show you how you can check your answer, but this is not the part of your question. Only for your satisfaction, if you want to see whether your answer is right or not, you can check it. How you will check it? See, we will take the derivatives of our this answer. Take the derivative of your answer. It should be the same as you had the question, 3x square minus 2x plus 1. So derivative, how we will take the derivative? See, this is the power exponent we will make in the coefficient 3x, and the power will reduce by 1, 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. Same thing here, this power will come here as a coefficient, and then x, and you have to minus subtract one exponent, 2 minus 1, which is 1, 2x, and the derivative of x is 1, derivative of constant of integration is 0. So we have here 3x square minus 2x plus 1. You can see you have the same thing in your question, 3x square minus 2x plus 1. It means your answer is right. Again, this is not part of your question. Only in exam, if you want to check whether your integration is right or not, take the derivative. It should be equal to your question, right? This is the important thing why I said that x, the derivative of x is 1. See, x. How we will take the derivative? It has only one power. If the variable does not have any power, it means it has 1. So derivative is 1. This power will become the coefficient 1. And then x, you have to reduce one power, subtract one power. So it is 1. Then we have to subtract 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. And anything raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to 1, 1. That is why if you have x, if you have y, the derivative of x is 1 and constant is 0. I hope this question is clear, but again, if anything is not clear, you can ask me. But please do not forget to subscribe to my channel Saima Academy, and thanks for watching.